I just spent literally all last week moving all of the sites that I had developed on Lovable, using Claude code to move them to my own VPS, using Astro to have a better front end, still having some of them connected to the Lovable suppabase that I don't want to pay for. So it's Astro on Coolify. And now today, Lovable comes up with a thing that says, hey, we now have SEO and AEO on our sites. Like, I've been fighting with this for months, trying different pre-render things and spent a bunch of money, Cloudflare, Worker, etc. So much time, energy, money. And now Lovable finally comes out with the one thing that it just really, really, really lacked, which was that bots could even see your sites. Like, there was no visibility whatsoever because they were the form that the SPA React sites is created with had no visible backend for robots or for AI robots. Murphy's Law, right? I mean, I learned a lot about the whole movement process of moving all of those sites, but geez, such a waste of time, energy, and money. And now, I mean, why bother keeping them on Astro and Coolify? I mean, I'm going to keep the backups, but it was already backed up on GitHub. So, live and learn. That's what happens when you're adopting early and moving fast. Yeah, sometimes waste time doing things that you just have to undo. So, thank you, Lovable. I'm actually happy that they did this, but would have been nice if they'd have done it a couple months ago.